Welcome back, guys. Today I'm reviewing the Sensational wig BREALYN, which is 13 by 6 synthetic hair, and I'm just going to be installing it for you guys. I've just done my makeup, a quick 10-minute beat, just so you can see how it looks. So yes, the frontal does come with space to part. I'm just going to be doing the basic parting it came in, which is a center part, and it comes with an elastic strap, which I think is handy, 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps. One thing about this wig that I didn't like is that it sheds a lot. Yes. By the way, I did get it from Wigit UK, and I do like their products. I've ordered from them before. However, I'm still waiting for a 3rd wig that I ordered, and I got 2, which the delivery they say 7 to 10 days, and yes, they did take that long, though they've informed me that they're going to deliver my 3rd wig this week. I still haven't received it, and it's been about 15 days now, which is a first because I've never had issues with their delivery before. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait a bit more. But yeah, I'm just trying the wig on, and it's lovely. I didn't do any plucking, just because I was happy with the hairline as it was. But when I do reinstall it, I am planning to take time and actually pluck and style the wig. So I'm just putting the wig up so I can actually install it. If you do hear my child snoring in the background, yes, sorry, I'm recording it while she's asleep. So yep, I'm just going to secure the combs, which come with the wig, and then I'll then install it and glue it down. So here I'm just taking the hair away from the lace so that the glue doesn't get onto it. Then now I'm just cutting the lace just so that it's easier to install the wig. Yeah, and it will just be easy to glue each tab down. So now I'm just wiping my hairline with a cotton swab and some rubbing alcohol just to take the makeup off. Yeah. And then I'm going to use a little spatula and do 2 coats of the glue on the center part. So this is the first coat. Yeah, and I'm gonna then spread it with a spatula. Oh, I'm just gonna leave it to dry. So I'll leave it to get tacky, then I'll do a second layer. Then you just want to spread it like butter, just so that it's neat and tidy. Then once that's tacky, you just stick down that tab, and then this will make it easier to glue down the sides, just because the wig is already secured to your head now. So now I'm just doing one thin layer on each side, just to glue down the side tabs. Yeah, and I'm gonna leave it to get tacky again, then obviously pull them down.
I begin to
So now I'm just putting the band around my perimeter, which is gonna help secure the wig down. I'm combing back the hairs just so they don't get stuck to the glue. Yeah, I would say this wig doesn't need much. It's not that difficult to install, but yeah, I'm just putting the band on the perimeter, and I'm going to leave it for about 45 minutes, just so the wig can be stuck on and secure, which will allow the wig to last for a couple of days to a week. Although personally I think I'm going to be taking it off after 2 days, just because I didn't do a braid down underneath. So yeah, here's just me leaving it on for 45 minutes. Yeah. So now I'm back to cut the lace off. Yeah, nice and simple. So this is how the wig looks as a center part, and I do really like it. Yeah, it's nice and long. As I said, compared to the other synthetic wigs I've bought, it's nice and soft. However, it does shed more than the recent synthetic wigs I've bought. I love the color. I wish I'd gone slightly lighter though, but they didn't have a lighter shade that I wanted. But the color's not bad, and it's nice that it's got the blonde highlights, and it just looks gorgeous. Yeah. So just look at the hairline. Yeah, it's beautiful. You can tie it back. Yeah. So here I'm just putting some wax, but this wax is quite thin. It's like an oil rather than a wax, which I like, especially for synthetic wigs, because I can put it all over the hair and it's not gonna leave it tough or sticky. It's just gonna leave it with an oil sheen. So that's why I'm just rubbing it through the whole hair just to flatten it. The glue and the band and this wax stick do come in a set, which I will link down below. So any flyaways of the lace, I'm just going to spray them down with the Got To Be spray. Otherwise, that's everything that I'm going to be doing to the wig at this rate, because I actually do want to wear it to go somewhere, so I didn't want to do too much cutting to the hair, because I like the style that it arrived in and the shape. So yeah, that's the initial review and the installation. I do love it. Do check them out, guys. Yeah. So it goes down to my back. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Now, because I'm going straight to bed, I'm just putting the hair up in a bun, and then I'm gonna leave it in a bonnet. And this is how I'm gonna tie it. Like if I'm not doing anything, or I'm not going for a specific occasion, I just wanna make sure that it's neat and tidy and it doesn't tangle, I'll just leave it in a bonnet like this, tie it back, which the next day I actually had a lot of errands to do, and I just left it in this bonnet, and when I took it off, it was just neat, no tangles, no shedding. Yeah, thanks guys.